What is up you guys, it's your girl Adriana XO1. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I have filmed a hair dye transformation for some reason. I'm gonna transform my hair today. I'm planning on dyeing my hair green and black because I've seen this popping around the internet quite a bit and I was like, I want that color. My hair is green, partially green. I've just got a few highlights sprinkled here and there, but we're gonna try and transform a majority of it to green, while the rest of the back is going to remain black. I have not used black hair in my dye in a very long time. I know it's a very big risk I'm taking because stripping the black hair dye after this, if I regret it, is going to be a pain in the ass. But we're going to get started. So I don't want to film the bleach process for this because I have 101 videos on how I bleach my hair. Most of my hair dyeing videos contain a bleaching process. I just find it to be really boring at this point. This is also going to be like a review for the Streaks green hair dye, just for my Indian audience that likes to watch these videos. So I'm going to get back to you guys with the front of my hair bleached and we're going to get started then. I'm choosing to do a soap cap application for lightening the front of my hair. So I'm just going to be using 1:1 ratio of bleach, developer and shampoo, and hopefully that will prevent my hair from getting more damage than it already has. Look, I'm not gonna deny the fact that I look like a hot mess right now, but I can't look pretty when I'm dyeing my hair, and that's just the truth. Since my hair it's lightening up pretty well, in fact, as you can see here, it's light enough for the green to catch on, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mix the black hair dye that I wanted to use at the end, because this is all burgundy and it's just all my old hair color. I need it to be black because only if it's black will the whole look pull together and look better. I just feel like the green looks better with a really dark, rich black base rather than a brown base. So let's go ahead, mix up this black hair dye and let's see what happens. I'm still contemplating filming it or not because it's just the back of my hair. My roots have already grown out to be jet black. That's the natural hair color. So I just gotta dye this part and I can just hop in the shower and see what's the result. Hi, we're back. My hair's lightened and it's also dyed black. So I have been sleeping with my hair in a ponytail. I've been washing my hair in this ponytail because it's absolutely crucial for me to make sure that none of the black hair dye gets on these parts and that this parting remains perfectly symmetrical, if you know what I mean. I look like a hot mess again. I don't really care, but I just have to put a disclaimer that you don't really care when you're making videos like this. We're gonna be trying out today the Streaks Professional Hold and Play Funky Colors in the color Glorious. So let's begin. I think I have very less dye left because I used a lot of it last time. We're going to be diluting it with a lot of conditioner because I'm trying to achieve not so dark green. Let's just start with the time lapse of me dyeing my hair. This is what you all came to the video for. Enough talking, let's begin. We're starting off with about this much conditioner. So the green is about this rich. It's very liquidy. That's the thing about this dye that I'm still not able to wrap my head around as to why it's so goddamn runny. Crazy Color has never given me this issue. Tabs Color Lady has never given me this issue. I've never tried the other brands. I probably should one of these days. So I have put in the whole bottle of this. It wasn't even full, it was just about this much left, like just about here. It's barely half. And that's a shit ton of white conditioner. We're gonna mix it and I'm gonna show you guys what the color looks like. Shows up kind of blue here. I don't know what's wrong with my camera lighting, but I'll show you guys a tiny swatch on how it will play out. And it's again showing up blue, but it's pretty emerald green in front of me. I think that shows it more better, but it's the fault of my camera. It's pretty green. I don't know why it's catching as blue, but this is how the color is, how it looks. Like all my videos, always wear gloves And always keep a mirror near you. Even though I might not show it, I'm always looking at a mirror. I don't look at this and do my hair. Let the time lapse begin. To everyone who's watching this and cringing because it gets on my skin, the best thing about these semi-permanent dyes is that you can wash your face with soap and water and it gets off, and it's as easy as that. So don't worry about getting the semi-permanent dye on your face. It's really not going to stain your skin as badly as you think it might. It's all part of the process, it's just a part of the process. This is an absolute mess. I don't even want to show my whole face right now. We're gonna wait for about 40 minutes. We're gonna wash it. I'm gonna dry my hair, style it, and I'll be right back. And after all that hard work, here is the result. I love it. I absolutely love it. Streaks, you're amazing. Thank you for letting me experience such a beautiful green hair dye. I can't wait to try out more colors from you guys. This is pretty good. It's hardly patchy. I checked my hair. It's not that patchy as I expected it out to be. It's pretty even, the color. I love it. It did not bleed on my pillowcases when I slept. I sleep with white pillowcases, cotton, and there was no color deposit there. So I'll just explain it again. It's all green here, and then you've got the lovely black hair just hidden here, because I really wanted to try having my natural hair back again. So this is how my hair looks. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like this transformation. Please let me know what are the colors you'd like me to try, comment down below, and I will see those suggestions, you guys. Just don't make them too crazy, but who am I kidding? I've always been trying these colors out from a long time. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. I know I don't upload much. I'm trying my best to, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.